Hi, my name is Carson Anyway here on this channel. Hello, welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you're new, you probably are, but thank you for clicking on this video. So today I am going to be doing swatches of all these colors that I got from Beetles. I got a set of them last night and they came in the mail finally. And yeah, it's a 60 color nail swatch. I have my other ones over here. I have basically they're going to turn into this, and it's for whenever I do nails for anybody, because now I am a licensed esthetician, full specialist esthetician, so I can do facials, nails, makeup, waxings, anything really. And I have other certifications as well. So that's where I've been. If you missed me, that's what I've been doing lately. And I just graduated, so I'm really excited. And yes, so this is pretty much just going to be like a chill video. I'm going to have the music. Hello? Hello? That's my cat. This is Lilith. Hi, Mommy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, Mommy. Why do you climb up like a little spider monkey? So yeah, I'm gonna be doing all those kinds of videos. I'm really excited. If you have any recommendations of what kind of products, what kind of videos you guys would be interested in seeing from me, I can do a whole bunch of different types now. Give you tips and tricks and stuff as well if you want that. And yeah, so just leave your suggestions in the comments down below. So before Spider Monkey jumped up there, this is just gonna be a chill video. I'm gonna have basically, it's gonna be a time lapse, and yeah, so it's gonna be basically just getting this done. If you guys want to do stuff along with me, just have me on the background while you're watching this, like if you're cleaning or doing laundry or whatever, or you just want to watch it and just chill. What? You just want to watch it and chill with me? That will be great. So let's get into the video and let's get into swatching. Okay, so I ended up finishing it. I know I didn't film the whole thing. It's just because it took a couple days worth to do. And the night that I was finishing it, I was trying to get done really quickly, so I wasn't able to film it. But it turned out really nicely. I love how all the colors are, honestly. They look really, really pretty. I'm excited to use a lot of these. Especially, there's a couple of iridescents in here. And, like, these two, I'm really excited to use. Those are really pretty, I think. I mean, all of them are really pretty, honestly. But, yeah, because I really wanted some glitters. I didn't have much glitters. And that's why I bought it. And then surprised me that it had iridescence in here, so I was like, okay, great. But then there are some colors that I do already have on my other one, but that's okay, because especially, like, say this red and this red I have over there, but I've been using it a lot lately, so I'm running out of it. So I already knew that these were coming in the pack, so I was completely fine with that they were already replacements for me, per se. And then the same thing with if I have any other the colors over there that came in the pack as well in this one, I'm just going to use them as replacements after I'm done with that. So it still worked for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it might have been a little short, but I mean, it's pretty much just a chill video. It wasn't going to be long. It was going to be sped up anyways, because it was going to be time-lapse. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys got some things done while you had the video on, or you just chilled out for a little bit while I did my swatches. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Check out any of my other videos on this channel. I have my other channels linked down below as well. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, because TikTok is still working, which is good because I promote myself on TikTok as well. I'm Aesthetics by Carson on TikTok. I'll put TikTok and Instagram. I'll put them down below as well, and I'll put it on the screen. And so, yeah, so if you guys want to go follow me and see what I'm posting over there as well, go do that. And give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below anything you would like to see from me in the future. And yeah, so subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful day, and I love y'all. Bye.